long as the first wife accepts you, there's nothing to worry about. So today Usamke posted a mini video lapana on Instagram. You can see it was a video call between her and Musamseleko's first wife, Umacele. Guys, if there's one thing I will say, Umacele and Samke, they do have a great relationship. Again, we can see Umacele holding ingani yaka Samke. Guys, Umacele, she's doing the mother-in-law duties. If there's one thing I will say, guys, people are saying abam blame Umacele, she needed a sister. You can see Tobile and Nombali, they do have a great relationship. Whenever Tobile want to talk about something, she will go and talk with Mbali. Same applies it to Umacele and Samke. Guys, remember Umacele, she doesn't get along with everyone, especially Umayeni. Guys, people thought Umayeni and Macele, they do have a great relationship, and no, they are just pretending. But when it comes to Samke, it seems like their relationship is very good. They do get along. They were talking, although she not sure as what they were talking about. But if there's one thing I will say, Umakara really loves Samke. Guys, ngate aga pretend, and people are saying what I one day she would change and turn against Samke. Guys, Uthando has a great relationship with first wife yakadlamuka. So guys, it makes sense why Umacele and Samke, they do have this strong relationship. So anyway guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do you think Umacele one day will turn against Samke, or she's doing it because of the other wives? So tell me in the comment section. Just engage in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, it, so like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.